it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are with JASINGLE. Yes, JASINGLE with Uberboy. JASINGLE with Uberboy. Big up yourself, JASINGLE. Let's jump in the one and you're ready. What did you have to say about Uberboy, man? Let's go, man. Alright. Let's go. So obviously something for the ladies them. Right off of the bat, something for the ladies them.
Call me the Uber boy.
Now that different. Some of the ladies them. Ladies call me Uber boy. Yeah, man.
I know you feeling me. Bang bang badung bang boy. Bang bang
boy.
Pull up fire, figure
drop off some dick.
Call me the
Uber boy.
Body in a bed, she go freaky when the car bust up in her head.
Yes. Call me the Uber boy. Drop off some dick delivery. Yes. Body in a bed. That is what she is.
Uber boy. Body in a bed, she go freaky when the car bust up in her head.
Yeah, man. When she drink up her liquor them and thing, that special liquor there, make she turn devilish. She get bad. She get bad. Me like this. Me like this. It just started, me like it. Boss, the boss do road it up. Road that do.
Bang bang badung bang boy.
Call me the Uber boy.
Pull up fire, figure drop out some dick in her.
Call me the Uber boy.
Body in a bed, she go freaky when the car bust up in her head. Yeah, she want the long steel. She
directed by Grizzle Films. Grizzle Films, look myself.
want the pay, so she call my phone for BT radar. Body in a bed.
Yeah, man, on my phone she call, man. So when a girl call you a certain time, not the early morning, them call it booty call. On my phone she booty call because she know I will deliver. I will deliver. I will deliver like I'm delivering packages.
She go freaky when the car bust up in her head. Yeah, she want the long steel, she want the pay, so she call my phone for BT radar. Body in her bed, she go freaky when the car bust up in her head. Yeah, she want the long steel, she want the pay, so she call my phone for BT radar.
Yeah.
Got the liquor, got the weight. No me I pull up her foot, I got spade.
Yeah, man. I start up at that, man. I start up at that when you pull up, man. Make sure say you bring a condom to me, G. Bring a condom. So you must say him have the liquor and him have the weed. Yes, him have the liquor and him have the weed, but me not hear you say condom. What go on for condom?
Got the liquor, got the weight.
Yeah.
No me I pull up her foot, I got spade.
Got speed, man. Woo. Yes, man.
She see a man a come home, me nah live. Tell him a Uber driver I no live.
She say her man a come home, so she have a man, you know. But guess what? She want the peg, she want the long steel from JASINGLE. Yes, that is what JASINGLE say, not me. So the man a forward to him. When the man reach home, tell the man say the Uber driver is not Leaf driver. No.
She want a stallion to beat her down. Them boy they use too much teeth and tongue.
Yeah, man. Him never said that, but him said this. JASINGLE say she want the stallion, she want the J, she want him. She no want a man where him back 14 days, 2 weeks. She no want that. 2 weeks. She no want that.
She want a stallion to beat her down. Them boy they use too much teeth and tongue.
Yeah.
I shot the tequila, the creep I rum. Made the headboard and not to the beat I jumbo.
Bumbleclot, headboard. Headboard. Yes, man, you know what cause that? He shot I rum, I creep. Yo!
I shot the tequila, the creep I rum. Made the headboard and not to the beat I jumbo.
Yeah.
Boom, boom, bad man she want, you know.
Boom, boom, bad man she want, you know. In her pum pum, that's how she. I never said that. Sing about.
Made the head but I knock to the beat. I jump boom boom, bad man she want, you know. Stallion we give her the eggplant, you know.
What she get? What she get? The eggplant. Yes. That's the emoji. The eggplant emoji. But you know why the eggplant in her real life she a get. The home turn and the shifter. Yes, the tombstone.
Boom boom, bad man she want, you know. Stallion we give her the eggplant, you know. Bend her up in her S and in a W.
Yeah man, alphabet man. Alphabet you been up in a man. S and W man.
Give it to her anytime she want it, yo. Bang bang badung bang boy.
Call me the Uber boy.
Pull up fire, we got chop out some dick, you know. Call me the Uber boy. Body in her bed, she go freaky when the car bust up in her head. Yeah, she want the long steel, she want the peg. So she call my phone for beat the radar. Body in her bed, she go freaky when the car bust up in her head. Yeah, she want the long steel, she want the peg. So she call my phone for beat the radar.
You're too comfortable like man out in a jazz singer. You're too bumbuckler comfortable. You see you're the undersheet? You're the undersheet.
Yeah,
look for you. Look here.
She want the peg.
Look here. Look here. You're the undersheet like a few yard you're there. Make you just get up and go make yourself something to eat or something. I go watch your Netflix account because are your yard you there? Are your bumbuckler yard you there? Eh? Are you so comfortable? Boy, when me go girl yard, I mean no say girl have man. Yo, me skeptical to blood clot. One time I got one policeman yard dog. And it's like at the girl yard, but the policeman come check her more while the policeman are a man. Me blood clot. Come and drop asleep to blood clot. Car out there and drive like a female. From that, me not make no more mistake. Luckily the man never come and catch me. I would have been a gunner because I know the police is a shooter too.
So she call my phone for beat the red. I'm addicted to you on a fool, but me have a delivery for you on Amazon.
You're addicted to the fuckery. You're addicted to the pum pum. You're addicted the adrenaline rush. I gotta make the man catch your mouth now.
But a package up here. Anyway that night I day me go and give you. Back it up on a twerk and she a work. Clap it up in a.
How that? What?
Hands and on the church she a work. Love how you perform. Lift up your blouse and skirt. Strong book come if we put in that work. Bad man she want, you know. Stallion to give her.
Me focus to shift a while ago to the video. What one is how that woman there?
The eggplant, you know.
Are that person there?
She a work. Love how you perform. Twerk and she a work. Clap it up in a.
Who that?
Hands and on the church she a work. Love how you perform. Lift up your blouse and skirt. Strong book come if we put in that work. Bad man she want, you know. Stallion to give her the eggplant, you know. Bend her up in her S and in a W. Give it to her anytime she wants.
Sorry, I go get that.
Bang bang badung bang boy. Bang
Call
bang
me
badung
bang
bang
boy.
boy. Pull up her yard, we go drop out some dick, you know.
Call me the Uber boy.
Body in a bed.
Show me more granny.
When liquor bust up in her head. Yeah, she want the long steel, she want the peg.
Show me more
So she
granny.
call my phone for beat the
Yeah.
body in her bed.
Let's go compatible.
She go when liquor bust up in her head.
Yeah.
Yeah, she want the long steel, she want the peg. So she call my phone for beat the
Yeah, look up the G. Look up the blood clot G. Yo, look up the G. Yo. How a granny do this, sir? That time of night. Granny, what you doing? You're not supposed to there, that sleep, take out your seat, put on inside that bed and sleep. How you do this, sir? You want to think what I want to do. Let me know what I think. I'm going to leave a link to the one down in the comment section. Pin at the top. So, let me know what I think about Uber Boy. Just Single does it. Yes, man. Just Single does it, man. Yo, this kid is well. I love this. Just Single, go and put in the work, bro. Go and put in the work. First, me I react to one of your song them. Go and put in the work, my G. You see me? Yeah, go on. Yeah, go on with a bag of things, bro. Big up the female in the video as well. You see me? Big up the female who want the Uber Boy. You know? Big up all the ladies out there who want the Uber Boy in their life. You know? Yes, that guy one can call anytime at night and him powered over they come check on. Yes. Big up a youth there. So yeah. This is I'm gonna leave the one still. If you enjoy the one, I want to see more, drop a like on the video, subscribe around here if you're new, and I will see you. Yes, I said it, I will see you in the next one.
Peace. It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, Rick Connect.